As per IS 1271, uh, this thermal specification, insulation level, and the thermal temperature class is specified. So this is the thermal class. This is thermal class, and this side is corresponding temperature. Suppose uh, you can see all the electrical equipments are rated for the for certain thermal classes. Suppose some are designed for thermal insulation class A or E, B, F. So these are the thermal classes, and this right hand side, this is the corresponding temperature. Suppose in case of motor, in the technical data sheet of motor, you will see that the temperature rise is limited to class B, but the insulation level is class F. That means the motor insulation is class F, which implies that it can withstand that insulation can withstand up to 155 degree centigrade temperature. After that, that means beyond this temperature, that insulation breakdown will occur, but the temperature rise is limited to class B, that means 130 degree centigrade. That means this is the margin. So this 155 minus 130 degree centigrade, that means 25 degree centigrade is the design margin over here. So in the technical particulars, you will see that motor temperature class, that motor temperature rise is class B, but the insulation level is class F. Like this, this is the temperature class of each and every equipment. If you see somewhere, this Y means 90 degrees centigrade, A means 105 degrees centigrade, E means 120 degrees centigrade, like this up to H class means it can withstand up to 180 degree centigrade. So these are the equivalent values of the thermal classes. After class H, it is defined by the temperature itself in numerical digits. Suppose 200 degrees suppose thermal class is 200, that means it can stand up to 200 degrees centigrade, so nothing special in it. 220, that means temperature rise up to 220 degrees centigrade. 250 means 250. But uh, basically, these are the these are the thermal classes of electrical equipment. So you will see this class B, mostly used thermal classes class B and class F. Class H is not generally used except any special purpose where temperature rise is very high, that means 180 degree centigrade. So this is the thermal class for the temperature rise of any electrical equipment. And at the end, you can see temperatures over 250 degrees centigrade should increase by 25 degrees centigrade intervals starting from 250 degree centigrade. It is also clearly mentioned in that standard. So this is the thermal class as I have explained here.